Now we're live with Casino Brexton and Ryan Hall is live now. Stay tuned for the upcoming messages. Hey y'all, it's me, the one and only. So, we got a tornado advisory for the people. Tornado just touched down for the area. It doesn't look that critical to me. So, tornado mercy alert will go off soon. We have our system ready to go. This thing won't charge, so I'm trying to, charge it as humanly possible because, well, if I set it up, well, it's just gonna do that. So, try this. If y'all can't see me, too bad. Womp womp, cry cry. And our power's out. Great. Just kidding. Our system has detected at least, I think, an EF0. It's a baby right now. So we have our systems up and running. We got Capsule that's up and running. Our team is on the radar. So yeah. Let me go ahead and make sure contact let's see. Battery. Hey, y'all wanna head eastbound? North. That's where it's headed. There's twin tornadoes right now. Okay. Okay. Just be safe. As y'all can see, I'm literally live for everybody. The blinking blue light you just saw means radio's working. So we're gonna do 2, 2, 3, 4 ERS. Warning. What is it? Protocol 8 activate. A tornado is on the ground at this time. A tornado on the ground. Warning has been issued. A tornado that is on the ground with a twin has been issued. Alert. 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 A tornado warning has been issued. A tornado is on the ground. Seek shelter soon. Alright, folks. There we go. That was our system. So, yeah. It's crazy. Alright, now follow tornado, but be careful. Ryan Hall, we look like it looks like it's about to touch on, but so yeah. The mercy alert's about to go off. Okay, let's make sure. Yeah, tornado warning for the area. Okay, 3345 Mercy broadcast. A tornado is on the ground at this time. Seek shelter soon. Your area is in danger. Your area is under a tornado. If you receive an ESA or alert, seek shelter immediately or now. Get supplies and take shelter now. This is an alert message. A mercy alert has been activated. A tornado warning is issued for the area. Protocol 8 has been activated. Alright, folks. Yeah. So, by the time we post this, it's gonna be, over in Morristown. We're gonna post two videos. This is the first one. The second one is gonna be further detailed. Yeah. So we're just hoping for the best. Okay. James, go ahead. The radar dish just picked up the twin tornadoes. Looks like we have twins. Alright. One just upgraded to an EF1, the other one's to an EF0. Alright. Tornado watch has been issued. A storm, I have a very high chance of a tornado is possible. Seek shelter as soon as possible. Beep, beep, beep. Tornado emergency alert. A tornado emergency alert has been activated. That's the flashing light I was talking about. It's not red. That means pay attention. Listen up. So yeah, everything looks pretty bad. I think I think we got 2 to 3 tornadoes. Thunderstorm watch will be issued soon. A tornado thunderstorm warning has been issued with advisory. This alert notification is possible. Okay. So far it's doing medium damage. But it will do significant damage. A tornado emergency alert has been activated. Never mind, it's going to do catastrophic damage. As the National Weather Service has issued this as a tornado emergency alert. You guys, we told them the National Weather Service that Ron Hall is live, so if y'all want to watch his live, go ahead. But slow-mo is on, so you only get 45 seconds per text on the live chat, but I prefer not because blah blah blah. So yeah. Let's see. I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. I don't. No. Yeah. Oh, totally forgot our favorite little airhead siren. What the? It never does that. Oh, I forgot to put the freaking key code in. Okay, this might be stupid. A catastrophic storm has been issued by the National Weather Service. Seek shelter immediately. or weather fan. Oh, so yeah. Watch Ryan Hall's live for latest information. I'm gonna go watch it. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry this has to be short. Memberships are totally free, so just feel like subscribing, all that bullcrap, and like this and all that. And comment if y'all wanted us to do a Legends, another Legend Balcaz, but not right now because we got a significant catastrophic storm.